Have you ever wondered why you keep attracting the same type of partner, even when it never works out? Or why some people seem calm and secure in love, while others overthink everything or pull away when things get serious? By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why, and it might completely change how you see your dating life. The answer often goes back further than you think, all the way to childhood. Psychologists call it attachment style, the emotional blueprint you developed as a kid that now quietly shapes how you love, trust, and connect as an adult. And here's the thing, most people don't even realize they're following this pattern. So let's break it down. There are four main attachment styles. First, secure attachment. If you grew up feeling safe, supported, and understood, you likely fall into this category. In dating, this shows up as confidence, trust, and emotional stability. You don't panic when someone pulls back, and you don't chase validation either. You just are. But not everyone had that experience. Second, anxious attachment. This often comes from inconsistent attention growing up. Sometimes you felt loved, sometimes ignored. As an adult, this can turn into overthinking, needing reassurance and feeling anxious when someone doesn't text back. You don't just like someone, you worry about losing them. Third, avoidant attachment. This usually develops when emotional needs weren't met at all. So instead of chasing love, you learn to avoid it. You value independence, but deep down, closeness feels uncomfortable. When things get serious, you pull away. And finally, fearful avoidant, a mix of both. You want connection, but you're afraid of it. So you push and pull, creating emotional chaos without understanding why. Now here's where it gets really interesting. What if the problem isn't the people you're dating, but the pattern you're repeating? Once you recognize your attachment style, everything starts to make sense. Why you react the way you do. Why certain relationships feel intense or distant. And more importantly, you can change it. Because attachment styles aren't permanent. With awareness and the right habits, you can move toward a more secure way of loving. So next time something feels off in your dating life, don't just ask, what are they doing wrong? Ask yourself, what pattern am I repeating? That question alone could change everything.